Inside the Volvo EX90, a 14.5-inch center screen is your gateway to one of the most advanced infotainment systems on offer, with Google built-in and 5G connectivity as standard where available. Where 5G is not available, we partner with leading service providers to offer the best possible service around the globe. Finding your destination, streaming your favorite music, installing your favorite apps and much more are a breeze thanks to the intuitive setup. Additionally, the overall user experience inside the Volvo EX90 is designed on the principle of complexity made simple, avoiding information overload. The displays in the center stack and in front of the driver provide information in a smart way that can be customized the way you prefer. The Volvo EX90 will also be compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto trademark. Whether you're in manual, assisted or, in future, autonomous driving mode, the driving mode will always be clearly displayed and recognizable. That way we avoid so-called mode confusion and contribute to a focused, safe and enjoyable drive. The Volvo EX90 will be the first Volvo car to feature Dolby Atmos, which will be delivered by a reference quality Bowers and Wilkins audio system featuring 25 speakers for immersive sound throughout the cabin. Moreover, with the Volvo EX90 we're introducing phone key technology, meaning you can leave your key fob at home and easily unlock your car with your mobile phone. Built on the UWB industry standard, our technology will be compatible with a wide range of phone brands and models and allows you to share the key with family and friends when you need to. Finally, with remote actions you can seamlessly move between the car and your home. Just ask Google to lock, warm up or cool down your Volvo EX90 from the comfort of your home. You can also instantly find out your battery charge level. Living with the Volvo EX90, then, means an enhanced life. A car that takes care of and helps protect you and your loved ones, contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle and can make your day-to-day life more enjoyable and easier. So you can live life to the fullest.